Hey everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor Cocktails. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor, and today is my favorite day of the week. It is Friday, it's Fan Friday, and this is the day that I get to make cocktails that the viewers, like yourself, request and we make. Well, today's cocktail comes to us from a longtime viewer, and he's a real good friend of the channel. But the cocktail I'm going to make for you is probably one you've never heard of. That is, unless you know our viewer, Eric Sloop. This is an original cocktail that Eric created. So this cocktail came to me without a name, and I had to try and figure out a nice name for this. So what I did is we're kind of doing a little play on words. Eric's last name is Sloop, and if you've never heard of it before, there is a sailboat, a single-masted boat, simple and easy, kind of like our cocktails, that is also named the Sloop. So today we are making the Sloop. Let's get pouring. Simple and easy is what we like, so we are actually going to build this cocktail in a glass. And we've got a couple of different ingredients. This cocktail is kind of a cross between a old-fashioned and a Paloma. Got touches of both of them in there. Our first ingredient that we're going to put in there is our sweetener, and for that we're going to use maple syrup. That's real maple syrup, not the corn syrup kind of flavored stuff. We're going to put in there 1/4 of an ounce, and that's going to go right in the bottom of our glass. We are going to follow that up next with, and this is a little bit different, this leans toward the Paloma, is we're going to use some freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. Now we're using pink grapefruit today. That's going to go for 1/4 of an ounce. Now going back to our roots of the old-fashioned, we're going to use some bitters. For this one, we're going to use our Angostura bitters, and we're only going to put in there a couple of dashes. If you're using out of the Angostura bottle directly, 1 dash. If you have a Japanese shaker like this, you're going to put in there 2 dashes. Our next ingredient in there is grapefruit bitters. Now these are my very own homemade grapefruit bitters, and I'm going to put in there, since I have a dropper bottle in here, you're doing droppers and not dashes, I'm going to put in there 4 dropperfuls. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it is a little bit of a forward cocktail. What we're going to put in there next is our ice cube, and we're going to use 1 large cube in here. And I want to get that in there before I put in my whiskey. Now, Eric, when he made his, uses Pendleton, which is a blended Canadian whiskey, and I couldn't find Pendleton in my area. So we're substituting that for is some Crown Royal, and that's always a favorite. We're going to put 2 full ounces of that in there. And we put that cube in there because I want to start chilling this right away. And we're going to pour that right over the cube. I've got everything that I need in there right now. We're going to stir this up. And we're going to give it about 30 or 40 spins around that glass. That's going to chill that down. Looks like we got that nice and clean. And now what I'm going to do to garnish this is I'm going to put in there a grapefruit twist that we've cut up and made pretty fancy. We're going to drop that over the side. And there we have today's cocktail, the Sloop. Let's give this a taste and see what Eric came up with for me. Oh, Eric, for an old soldier, you did pretty good on this one. We've got that nice blended smooth Canadian whiskey. That's always smooth on there. We've got the grapefruit on one side of our mouth that's hitting. You can feel that tang, and at the same time I can feel the sweetness of that maple syrup and that richness of that flavor. I think I really enjoy this one. And
it's my new favorite, Eric.
You heard that? That's from the boss, the producer, the director, the commander-in-chief. She likes it too. Cheers, everybody. We'll see you at the next cocktail.